Hey everybody, welcome back to another Nature's Always Right episode. My name is Steven and I'm here to help you grow food for your family or grow food for sale. So whether you're a market gardener or a home gardener or a homesteader, I'd like to help you increase your growing skills and do it all naturally too. Today's episode is all about harvesting and bundling herbs, how to do that the most efficient way possible. So whether you're taking this to market and selling it or you're harvesting just for yourself, for your family, I'll show you some ways to do it really quickly and effectively and to get the most out of your harvest every time. Stay tuned for some future videos where I'm going to be showing you how I bundle and wash all of my vegetables for market, and I'll be showing you guys how to wash herbs as well. So I'll put a link to that in this video once I post it. Also check out my video description where I've got links to other videos that might be important to you, and also lots of different farming and gardening tools, irrigation, seeds, all the different supplies that you might need for your market garden or your home garden. And buying through any of those links is a way that you can support the channel and get the products that I recommend that are the very best and the ones that I've used personally for years and can highly recommend them. So in the video today, I'll be showing you how to harvest dill, parsley, and cilantro. Those are three of the herbs that I've found most profitable for me here in San Diego at my markets. Some other herbs might be more profitable for you, but those are the three I think are excellent chefs, as well as my farmers market customers, restaurants, and anybody interested in buying a box of vegetables as well. So we're going to start out with dill today, and one of the easiest herbs to harvest, so let's go check it out. So for harvesting dill, they're super easy because you can just snap the branches. So I'll just come through, snap a bunch, make my bundle, and I sell it in something that's about that size. And I have my rubber bands on my hand already, and I just quickly wrap it. Done, one bundle. And it just rained yesterday, so it's really cool. I don't have to wash these. These are already washed by the rain. So I put them in a clean tote and they're ready for the market. I'm harvesting the biggest stalks. They're usually on the outer side. I don't know, I'm doing about 6 to 8 stalks depending on the size. Okay, next up is cilantro and parsley, and I like to use a knife for this. You could just go individually with them, but I find that it's easier to just grab a bunch underneath and then cut. Or you can grab the whole plant, and if they're really long, and then just cut down the center, and then it'll regrow. Just grabbing around the plant, pulling up, and leaving enough leaves so that it can still photosynthesize and then grow again for me next week. Just depends how far along the growth is of the plant. On these taller ones, it's a lot easier. This is like the second cut on these plants. Okay, and then for parsley, it's the same exact thing. And I like to start from one end and then work my way down. So I'm going to lift up all the outer leaves into the center and then cut the center, cut the middle, and grab all the leaves. Ideally, this would be nicer if the plant was bigger, but I'd like to sell some parsley today, so I'm not going to wait. Let's grab a nice thick bundle like that. I'm judging the size basically by how it feels inside of my thumb and forefinger, and I sell that for $3 as well. So I just got 27 herb bundles times 3 is $81 worth of herbs. I should be able to sell all of it, or at least most of it. So, you know, in about a 15-minute harvest, it's 81 bucks. Now, if your plants aren't as big and you want to get as most for the harvest as possible, because when you cut with a knife, you are wasting slightly, a small amount of it as you cut. You can just pick off individually and then put it into your bundle like that. But it takes a little bit longer, so it's a little more labor intensive, but you'll get a little bit more